So you might be in a situation where you want to go ahead and basically make your Android keyboard larger. Now doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time. Now, whether you're on stock Android or you're on standard Android or One UI right here, there's a few different processes that you can do. For one, if you have the ability of doing so, if you have basically the ability of opening up your keyboard, I don't even know what's going on and why this thing's not working, but if you have the ability of opening up your keyboard as you normally would, you want to get into your keyboard settings. You should be able to get on there by tapping on the settings icon on your keyboard, and then you'll come into this next page. Now, typically within this specific page, there could be a little panel that shows you and gives you the ability of changing either the layout or the keyboard size of your keyboard. Now, if you click on layout right here, that may not be the best place to go. But if you look right above it, under size and transparency, you might actually see that if you tap there, it's going to be a little panel that will allow you to change the size of your keyboard. Now, on stock Android, you do have the exact same thing. It's just buried within the settings of the keyboard. So click on that keyboard settings. And like I said, you'll basically come into the same exact panel. Now, what you're going to want to do here is you can go ahead and drag these specific toggles up or down. So we can go and make the keyboard larger, or we can make it smaller, just depending on what you're going to want to do. So you can go and make it bigger, just like this, or you can make it smaller by dragging basically the very top and bringing it down just like that. Now, typically for me, I like to have it basically kind of right in the middle, not super big, but not super small. You can also reset it by clicking reset. And whenever you're done, all you're going to want to do is you want to go and click done. And now when you go and go back to a specific text panel on your phone, you'll see that the keyboard will now be normal height or whatever it is before. And that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. It's a very, very basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.